Yeah, hi friends, welcome to Techie Study and Azure DevOps series. Today we are going to discuss about uh, connect how to connect your Azure DevOps organization account to Azure Active Directory Azure portal account. So we need to go through organization settings and select Microsoft Entra ID and then select connect directory. So select a directory from drop down menu and then select connect. If you can't find your directory, we can contact your administrator, Microsoft Entra administrator, and request that they add you as a member to the Microsoft Entra ID. That is the option. So here we need to go for organization settings and connect directory. We will go and check now. So if you haven't watched the previous session, how to create Azure DevOps account, please go through it. And Data Factory, we have a Data Factory series as well. You can go through that as well. So let's create Azure DevOps account. We have already created in previous session. So this is our organization account. So you need to mention once we create the account, we will get the accept invitation to the email. So you can accept that. It will accept the invitation. Okay. So once you done, this is our organization and click on organization settings. So this is the Microsoft Entra, right? Click connect, enter. Here we can see the default directory, our portal one, right? Microsoft Entra ID. So see tenant ID is EB7. EB7 tenant ID is matching. Let's connect. Click on connect. So the user is a guest, target Microsoft Entra tenant default directory. The current organization policy does not allow guest users to access the organization. Change the policy setting to allow external guests access and try again. So if you will uh, browse something about this error, you will get this article, organization settings, and this add the policies. So, but this is not the case. It will not work. I have tried with that as well. So I have found one solution. Okay, close it. Go to the profile settings, profile, right here. See, you are currently subscribed to other communication regarding Visual Studio or Visual Studio subscriptions. Please visit the complete DevOps profile page. Click on it. So this URL I can give you, I can give it in, I will give you in description. You can copy it and use it for yourself, right? Here by default, it will come as a Microsoft account. You need to select default Azure Active Directory. Then only that error will resolve. Then we can easily configure the Azure DevOps account to Azure Data Factory. See? So once if it is the first time, it will ask you us, it will ask us to us create organization. Once you create the organization, you are in now. Okay, click on our organization account. This is the one. So this is the project as well, Azure Data Factory project. Okay, organization Karthik Karanam ORG is the organization account, and this is the project name. Okay, we are under project. So next session we will check about how to configure the Azure DevOps account in Azure Data Factory. Okay, thank you so much. So if you are watching the first time, please subscribe to my channel and